Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing bags again. We have 3 boxes today, so come join me. I kind of know what they are, but this is the first time I'm seeing them. Ooh, I like this one. I think this is the penny. And there's other brands, I think. Nice. I've never seen this. Fancy. I don't know how to open it. Push, pull, close. How do you open this? I don't want to break it. There's probably $1 million in it. It wouldn't open. Oh, there you go. And it's Saffiano leather. Pretty fancy. Nice. And this one, I think this is the penny. I just sold one, but it's not leather. It was a canvas. Very pretty. At first, when I was buying it online, I thought it was vintage. Turns out it's not. It's so pretty. It's color pink. Got another pochette, shoulder bag, and this one, another small bag. In the Philippines, they call this kilikili bag. It means underarm bag. You should just put it underarm, not really long enough for shoulder bag. Nice. And another small one. And this one. They tape it like there's no tomorrow. One is another coat. Oh, I've never seen this one. Quilted. Nice, huh? Two-way shoulder bag, and it has a sling. I don't know if it's long enough for crossbody. I guess so. This one is the bag that can be reshaped. You just put this on here, and the other one, it becomes a square. Two-way too. Then like this, all leather. So if you are new to my channel, I resell all these bags. If you're interested and want to buy any of these, just go to my page. I do live selling. My Facebook page is LA Boutique, or Lux Arrival Boutique. And I do live selling every weekends now. So feel free to message me there or comment down below if you'd like to buy any of these ones. Where is my scissor? Next box. 2 bags in here. Pocket bag. Oh, nice. I know somebody would like this. Oh, very pretty. It's a Coach Poppy. I'd use this. It's a shoulder bag like this, or you can actually attach a sling. Huh, very nice, very nice. Put that there. Oh, this one is, I think, new. It's a hobo shoulder bag. Pretty nice too. Good condition. I'll put them under here. So when I do my live selling later, people will see it. I can tempt you guys to watch this video. Alright. I just sold one. It's a kitty bag. It's a small handbag. Just need to reshape it. And a patchwork bag. Tote. Nice, nice, nice. Next one. I'll probably do weekly unboxing of Coach bags. Coach Michael Kors, Dooney and Burke, and whatever I can get. I'd probably start getting Marc Jacobs too. So watch out for my videos, and please comment down below if you want me to do more of unboxing. And I do higher end too, higher end bags. Coach Louis Vuitton, Gucci. This is nice, but it's missing the sling. Nice, huh? Doesn't have the sling in. Oh, it does. Huh. Yep. It's like a tote bag and then crossbody, I guess. Cool. And we have a sling bag, color green. Nice. What else do we have? We got 2 more. Why did they tape it like this? Struggle is real. Another sling bag. color vanilla, and nude. Nice. I guess that's it. So we probably got like about 15 bags, 3 boxes. No wallets this time. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I will put my page somewhere here. My boutique page, Facebook page, maybe here or here. Please follow the page and like. And also, if you want anything, you're interested in anything of these, just comment down below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.